And this here is an important step. Obviously, we need to understand what is generating the overpressure, if there is anything. And that doesn't matter whether we're working in a conventional or unconventional settings. There's some complications to unconventionals, because as I said, in many cases we will be over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where we don't have necessarily any published methodology to predict pore pressure. So what the hell do we do then?
Try to make predictions, I guess.
Well, sure.
And so that's when we go to the geophysicists and we start making some assumptions on creating a pore pressure volume in the seismic.
Well, exactly. And one of the things that is a problem, well, I mean, it's not just a problem onshore, but it's a particular problem because we are obviously targeting shale plays. And one issue is TOC content.
Right.
Because the effect of TOC has the exact same effect on our interval velocities that we potentially would use for seismic pore pressure as overpressure. So it has a similar response. So the higher TOC content we have in our shale, the slower velocities we would have. And the effect of overpressure is the same. So how do we know whether the slowing of our interval velocities or seismic velocities is due to overpressure or is it due to TOC?
How do you know that it's not TOC that's driving the overpressure?
Well, I mean, it could be. It could be both. TOC could very well, or TOC, it's not the TOC content generating the overpressure, it's whatever hydrocarbon might be generated from the TOC.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Because you get this fluid volume expansion.
Right. Especially in the unconventional. We assume that it's been birthed right there, probably near that Carrigan and TOC package.
Sure, but that is all about volume. If you have high volume TOC and especially gas generation, that can generate significant overpressure. Lower volumes of TOC, and if it's oil, is not necessarily generating that huge amount of overpressure. But it's also about timing. What is the rate? How quickly do we get this excess fluid generated?